We got a box.
I do it again.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up.
What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Daniel, and on this channel, I do vehicle repairs and custom accessory installs. So if you're into it, consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. So we're bringing my buddy's 2019 Toyota Tundra back once again. And today we're gonna be installing a performance air intake system by Airaid. Founded in 1997, Airaid is known for its advancement in the automotive aftermarket industry since introducing its Airaid performance intakes. Within just 5 years, explosive sales proved Airaid was exactly what the performance parts market needed.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
So I hope this video helps with your performance air intake install. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. If you have any questions about this install, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
I do it for real.
A brand new Airaid performance intake. Shut up, Cam. Today we're going to be installing a custom air... Jesus fuck, say it. Performance air intake system.
No matter what, add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up.